Hello everyone. Thank you for joining this session. Last time we introduced the function of logarithm and introduction of logarithm, right? So since this is just the high school related course, it will be no go to very deep, okay? So now this time we will introduce the law of the logarithm. Based on left side, you can see they have three laws, right? In fact, they have another law, four law. But I don't want to show you now. Maybe I just put it down. Okay. So the first law is additional law. If the two logarithm add together, so it's equals to their multiplication of their number, but the condition is their base. The base here that is not really clear. The base should be the same. Of course, should be a positive real number, right? So if their base are same, so they can do like this way. Same as B. If a base are same and their minus of two logarithm expression can be expressed as their division of the two. The 3 one is about exponential. So you see here, the base is b logarithm, and here is what? Here is u to the nth power, right? So since it's exponential, it's not at the base, right? So the n can be pulled out at front, so it can be n log base b to the u. So, okay. In fact, these 3 one are easy to approve. So I will not prove, but I will do exercises to increasing your impression. So first, observe here have base same 2, right? They ask for the 2 summation of 2 logarithm. So this we can base on the first law, right? The first law. If we call it first law, okay? So this can be like what? Log base 2 and times 3 times 5. So the answer is log 2. Don't ask me to give you the exactly result, okay? There's not including for that, okay? Okay, but this log base 2 to the 15 can be exactly treated as a final result, okay? You don't need to get simplified enough to get a real solution like 3.5 or something, no need, okay? The second one is a little tricky. We're based on your, anyway, I will just move to the right side so we have more space, okay? This will be based on the subtraction of 2 logarithm. But the first one, can we treat as logarithm? Can, right? Can. How? So first, if these 2 logarithm, we can make them as, if the same base, we can make them as what? Division, right? Make it a division. Okay, to think about that, this we will use the third law of exponential. Okay, third law of exponential, and both the second law. Okay, so because of 4, you have to use the, so 4 can be treated as what? Log 2 to the power, and here is 2 to the 4th power. Am I right? Because 4 can move to the in front, and log 2 base to the 2 is equal to 1. Am I right? Am I right? This is a basic logic, okay? If this is log A and this is A, so it should be 1. Why? Because this you just reverse them to the exponential function. So base A to the 1 power equals to A, right? So this is easy to understand. So and then the minus log 2 to the 5, so equals to what? Division, right? So log what? 2. 2 to the 4 is what? 16, right? 16 over 5. So this is the final answer, okay? This is the final answer. Okay. So this one is simple division, but why simple subtraction? Why I list them? Because they have a concept. Ln is not log. Ln in fact is we call natural logarithm. In fact, it has a base. The base is e. So if you can write in this ln is equal to log e, and what's something else, right? Something like this way. So you can see this log natural log 3 minus natural log 5. So they have the same already, right? So they all belongs to naturals. So the result is very easy. Natural log 3 over 5. All right. This can be this already result, right? Also can be writing 0.6, but it's up to you. Number question 4, definitely you will exercise your the law of the 3, right? It's about the exponential, right? Yes. The base are the same, so they can be division. This also based on the law 2, right? So first let's make them exponential, get it, okay? So the first one we can writing it as what? Log 2 and 5 to the third power. Am I right? Then minus log 2, 6 to the square, right? And then since they are same base, we can write it as the division. So log 2 to the what? 5 to the third power and 6 to the what? Second power. Yeah, this one you can be do a little simplify. So this one equals to what? Log 2. 5 to the third power is 125. And the 6 to the square is 36. So this is the final answer. Okay. So now let's go to another theorem formula we call change of the base. Because just now what we introduced are the logarithm they have and the same base. But now how about we want to change the base? So here it is. So here it is. And also I provide two questions after I show you how to change the base. But here, let's go to formula first. If AB and the x be the positive real number with a and b not equals to 1, and if the b is the base, if we want to change the base to a, okay, change the base to a, we can write in as first is denominator log the new base a, the original base become the number here b. I don't know how to call this position, okay. Yeah, so and then the denominator will be also change the base a, but the number here remove here, okay. So how to prove this one? In fact, this can be approved, okay. So if okay, just make it easy, okay. Log b to the x is equals to y. It can be, right? It can be, right? And then second, let's move the log a to b to the left side. It's okay, right? Just times, right? So log a to b, right? And then log b to x, right? Equals to log a to x. Am I right? All right. So here is same as y equals to what? Same as equals to what? Same as equals to uh, uh, x equals to what? X is equal to b to the y power. Am I right? B to the y power, right? B to the y power. B to the y power. Okay. So since x is here, so we can write in here is log a b to the y power. Y power can move to the left side, so became y log a b, right? So let's see the left side. Log a b already here, and log b of x. Oh, it's already y. So it's already approved, right? So okay. So up this, I will let you do two exercises to improve the impression. Okay. These two exercises is ask you first to change the base. This is what we want to do, right? Change the base. I ask you to change the base to 4. The original base is 6, right? And anyway, I let you know I'm not really exactly will ask you to simplify to get the solution. Okay, I just ask you to change the form and simplify as possible as you can. Okay. So maybe this. Okay, cannot. Okay, so let's do the first one. Uh, so we remember, right? There will be come the fraction, right? Below is what? Log new base, old base, right? And up is the new base, original number there. Am I right? Am I right? So we already changed the base already, right? We already changed the base already. But anyway, here is can simplify. Here's can be log what? 4 to the second power, right? This can be, this not necessary, it's just 4, 6, okay. Let me double check. I don't want to make mistake. Next, it's log A, B. Yes, right. Because why I'm want to check, because it looks like log AX divided by log AB, right? Yeah, I'm just think about can be this similar as the division one. I think it's different, right? It's different. Log AX divided by log AY. You cannot be writing as log A minus log B. That's different. This already division. This already division, right? So okay, they cannot change. Okay, so let's go here. So the final result will be what? Will be 2 over log 4 to the 6. Am I right? Because the 2 can move to the in front. Log 4 we already introduced equals to 1, so the result. Okay, let's see the second example. I give a little hard square root of 3 and ask you to change the base to 3. How do you do that? Anyway, for this one, that's just a further study, okay? I'm just thinking, for me, just thinking about this one, log 4 can be 2 to the, can be writing as 2 to the square and 6 over 2, right? I'm not sure, just I'm not mean I'm not sure, I just let you to think about if it is just having the base, anything that it can do can simplify, because we already introduced the second law is based on what? Based on exponential on the exact number here, right? So it's not base. How about if at base? Okay, you can, if you are interested, you can go and study and check in. But right now, I just let you to consider about it. Okay. So this one, let's change to base 3. So based on our formula, so log 3, right? Square root of 3, right? And over log square root, oh, sorry, 3 and 6. And oh yeah, I just remember about that. This one is can be writing as log 3 what? 3 times 2. It can be right. Can be right. Of course, this should be better have a group of them. And this can be at what? Log 3, 1/2. Can be right. So the first one can be writing as what? log 3 base plus what? Log 3, 2. Am I right? And then the second one we'll be writing was 1/2. Am I right? Okay. So any further simplify? Um, so this can be 1, right? 1 what? Plus log 3, 2. And this is 1/2, right? 1/2 can be simplified here as what? As 2 plus what? 2 log 3, 2, right? I think this is the most simplified one. Okay, thank you very much to join this session. Hope you really can learn something here. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.